Hey, this is Casey. I'm One Mellow Marigold. Let's go bring in our onions. Good morning, friends. It is a hot and steamy day out here, but that is okay. We're going to get our chores done early and move on about our day. You were here with me when I planted the onion patch, so you should be here with me when I harvest it. The onions are looking beautiful. I am going to bring them up. I have a pallet in my garage that they're going to get laid on so that they can dry and start the curing process. And then maybe we'll throw some peas in the ground yet today. So come along. Look at that beauty. Look how shallow those roots are. Holy bananas. Oh, she's huge. These two are amazing. My goodness. Hotsy-totsy. It is hotsy-totsy out here. Okay, I'm a glistening. We got all the onions harvested. They look gorgeous. I am super, super happy with how the onion patch turned out this year. We will definitely keep doing this. I had no real expectations when it came to poundage. I really just didn't know what the patch would end up looking like and how much I'd get out of it. I also try to be careful not to worry about poundage too much because I don't want to get anxious about trying to compete with myself or whatever. But I do keep track of what I harvest because I like to kind of know what my average cost is per pound of food. And so I did weigh all these onions and I have 8.75 pounds of red onions. Ooh, I am so excited. So I'm going to get these cured and prepped for storage. So to cure onions, if you want to keep them for storage, we got to dry them out. So we got to make sure that the onion dries, that everybody gets a nice papery skin, and that these green tops all die back. And so for the first 3 days, I'm going to leave them out here on my patio table and get a lot of sun. And look at all my beauties. I just love it. So we'll let them dry out here for a couple days, and then I'm going to move them over into my garage where I just have a pallet on the floor that I'm going to lay these out on so that they get lots of nice airflow, and we will cure them for another 2 weeks and then get ready for storage. I was out here harvesting onions, came along to check on my cabbages, and look at this little baby. She is over harvested. She has split open. And that is what happens when cabbages, well, she should have been harvested, I think, about a week ago. That's what happens when they get to the end and they get a burst of water. So I'm going to pick her out and I'm going to check the rest of my cabbages and see if anybody else is ready. Isn't she beautiful? Beautiful. Okay. That is it for this hot and sweaty morning. I couldn't be happier with the onion harvest. I will bring you along and show you how they cure up. In addition, I got that cute little cabbage pulled. I planted some golden beets where the onions were, and I planted some more peas right there along the trellis. So excited to keep moving my fall planting along. If you've got a tried and true method for curing and storing your onions, I'd love to hear it. Feel free to comment below, and I'll see you guys on the next one, okay? Love ya. Bye.